Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the plate for fish finder mounting. It's suitable for fish finders and equipment mounting with a small base. The design of the plate is rigid, the wall thickness is 3 mm, and this allows equipment to be installed securely. The design consists of several parts: the plate, the adapter, and the adapter washer. Thanks to that, the design can rotate around its axis by 360 degrees. The adapter is compatible with different BORIKA fasten mounting systems. All parts are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. It gives the design extra strength and makes it resistant to weather conditions. It's supplied both individually and with different mounting systems. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.